Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to change pitch in Adobe Audition. After recording or reporting your audio, select everything using the shortcut Ctrl+A. Navigate to the Effects, then Time and Pitch, and choose Manual Pitch Correction. In the open window, select the correct reference channel, toggle the effect on and off by clicking on the icon Preview. Click Apply to apply pitch correction. For automatic pitch correction, go to Effects, then Time and Pitch, and choose Automatic Pitch Correction. While playing your audio, observe the correction amount in the provided indicator. Utilize presets like Subtle Vocal Correction for optimized vocal pitch correction. Click Apply to save your changes. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.